Hello friends, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question. Find the number of terms in each of the following arithmetic progressions. So they're saying we have to find how many terms are there in each of the arithmetic progression. In the first arithmetic progression, we have the numbers 7, 13, 19, and then an unknown number of terms in between, finally 205. Okay, so we have to find out we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and n. What is the value of n, right? What is the position of the last term? That is what we have to find out. Okay, so let's start by writing down the question. So we have 7, 13, 19, and we have 205. So what is the formula for arithmetic progression, right? So a set of numbers a1, a2, a3 are said to be in arithmetic progression if they are of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on, where d is the common difference, which can be calculated as a of n plus 1 minus a of n. Also, the nth term of an arithmetic progression can be calculated by the formula a of n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so let's use this formula here, right, and form an equation. So we will write a of n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let's start substituting the values. We know this is a1, a2, a3, but this is a of n, right? This is a of n. This is what we know the value of, but we don't know the term of, right? So we'll write 205 equals the value of a is 7 plus n is what we have to find out, and d. So d is unknown. So what we can do, we can apply this formula to find d. Okay, now let's calculate d separately. We'll write d equals a of n plus 1 minus a of n. For example, d equals a3 minus a2. So here the value of a3 is 19 minus the value of a2 is 13. So that gives a value of 6. Just to be sure, I will calculate d one more time, but this time I'll take the value a2 minus a1. So this also should give me the same result. So a2 is 13 and a1 is 7. We get 13 minus 7, we get 6. So with this you can see we got the same common difference of 6. So now we'll substitute that value here in this first equation. 205 equals 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. Okay, now let's simplify this equation. Alright, so we'll keep n on one side and move everything to the other side. Now how can we do that? We'll write 205 equals 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. I want to get rid of this 7, right? So what we'll do, we will add minus 7 here, and whatever I do on the right hand side, I will repeat on the left hand side. So 7 plus 7 and minus 7 will cancel out each other. We get 205 minus 7, which is 198. 198 equals n minus 1 into 6. So here again I will remove 6. So how do I do that? I'll say 198 equal to n minus 1 into 6, divide by 6. I'll do the same division here also, right? So now 6 and 6 cancel out each other. We get 198 by 6 equals n minus 1. Now let's try and divide 198 by 6. I'm not sure if it's divisible, so I'm going to find out. I have 6 into 3 equal to 18. I have 1, and then 8 carry forward, Again, 6 into 3 equal to 18. So it is perfectly divisible, right? So we get the value 33 equals 9 minus 1. Let's again balance it. 33 equals 9 minus 1. I'll do a plus 1 here. I'll do a plus 1 here. Right? Minus 1 plus 1 cancel out each other. We get n equal to 34. So here the number of terms that are there in this arithmetic progression is 34. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.